We went to Norway, we went to the city Bergen and Oder, and we went for 5 days. So it was myself and it was 2 young activists from Unite, the Union and GMB. So the partner organisation was the LO in Norway, which is the equivalent of the TUC in Norway. So they're a confederation of unions across Norway. The aim of the trip was to understand how the Norwegian model engaged with young workers and understand their model, the Norwegian Summer Patrol, which is where they get a range of young activists across Norway in different regions to get together and go into workplaces and talk to young workers about their rights at work and the benefits of joining a trade union. Norway have membership of 50%, which is a lot higher than we have in Wales. So it was about understanding what they are doing and how we can potentially replicate that here in Wales.
We arrived and we did like a little orientation. We met everyone there, and then we went to Oder, which is the red capital. So that's like the place that has the most industrial heritage. So they had all of these massive steel mills, coking plants and all that jazz, and they were empty in the town, but then they'd actually just moved further up the fjord, and now they were all running on hydroelectricity, and they were super green, massive employers. I thought that was really inspiring to see that they'd done it, and it really got my mind into thinking how can we go green and bring back industry into Britain as well. When
we were there, we participated in going into workplaces in pairs with a Norwegian counterpart, where we would then ask, using a survey, workers about their employment rights and whether they understand them, what their contract is like, whether they enjoy work, what their workplace is like to work in, and whether they're joined to a trade union, whether they know where to go if they wanted to join a trade union.
I was a little nervous about how people would react with us going into workplaces and asking them loads of personal questions, like how much they earn. But everyone, because of how positively the trade union was viewed over there, everyone was actually really, really friendly and really happy to engage.
We've just launched the Social Partnership Act in June this year. It's a very, very new act that has come into Wales, but hopefully will shape the way that trade unions work in partnership with governments and employers. This has been done in Norway for the last 100 years, so it's really good to be able to go over there and understand how that partnership works in practice, where we've got young workers in Norway delivering that and understanding what that means for them and how they can influence policy and potentially how that can be done here in Wales too.
I think you can get so locked into your own kind of perspective. I came away feeling really energised and empowered.
Doing this has given me an insight into another country, another way of work, and I'd like to apply that now to home, and that's what I hope to do go forwards. Yeah.
If you want to inspire your learners, if you want to get them to really understand the context of the wider world, this is an absolute great initiative and I would definitely recommend.